can enjoy this even when it's not breakfast. Okay? So share this video with everyone. And if you're not part of the fam, come join the girl. And yes, leave a comment below. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. So today we are gone. First of all, how's everybody doing? Good. Okay, so today your girl is gonna bring you a waffle video, you guys. That's right, you heard me right. A waffle video. And we're gonna use some self-rising flour because it has most of the ingredients that we need in there, right? So yeah, we're going to use some self-rising flour, and we're going to use 2 cups of self-rising flour. And that's our main sauce. Well, we're going to use 1 cup because, like I said, this family is small. Okay? So we got... This is a half a cup that I'm using. So now, we have 1 cup of flour. Okay? So yeah, you guys, how's everyone doing? Okay? So we're going to set that aside because we already know our baking powder and little things in there. So we have 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna add me some cinnamon in there because these are our wet ingredients. I'm gonna crack me 2 eggs in here. Okay. And I'm going to add me a little vanilla, right? Because you can't go wrong with a little vanilla, okay, for some taste. So yeah, we're going to mix that on up. I don't know why, but whenever I come to the table, I never be prepared. But we're just going to mix that on up. Just like so. And we're going to set this aside, you guys. Now, back to our flour. So with our flour, we're going to add us some sugar. Okay? We're going to go on and add us some sugar. I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons. Well, 2 healthy teaspoons, okay? Because, you know, our waffles sometimes don't be sweet enough. Okay? Does not be sweet enough. And we're going to combine that on in there. Oops, there go that spill. And we're going to also sprinkle us a little salt. Maybe about a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. But the salt will enhance the flavor. Okay. So guys, we're going to slowly pour this in. Now if it get too thick, it's okay to add a little more milk. And we're just going to stir and get as many lumps out as we would like. You're not going to be successful in getting all the lumps out, but hey, That's on you. And we're going to add us a little veggie oil. Just a little. You can use whatever veggie oil you like. Okay? And that is pretty much it for our waffle. Oh, if you could smell it. Guys, smell that cinnamon coming on out in there. You guys, oh, this smells so good. Okay, guys, so we have our waffle maker right here, you guys. And we got our batter mix. Let me scoot this on up a little bit so you guys can see. We have our batter mix. Batter. So, excuse my cord if you see it. Waiting on an important phone call. So, set your waffle to whatever degree you would like. And I would like to have mine on 4 for brownie spread. And what we're going to do is I have a measure, my little scooper. Let me get some because I hate when it drips. I really do. Put you enough batter in there. To go around. And we close. And we give it at least 10 to 15 minutes. Well, not quite that long. I would like for it to brown a little more. I'm going to turn that temperature down a little bit because I got quite a few pancakes to get through. Well, waffles. I said pancakes, but I meant waffles. You guys. My Carter loves waffles. You guys, he loves them. He loves them. And you should try this recipe, you guys. It's quick and easy, simple, and it's basically homemade. I have to get some butter out. Because this process does go quick. Oh, I had a little too much in there, and it's okay. Because all we doing is ripping it around the edges. That's it. And we're going to close that back up. And get that off there. Sometimes you make a mistake, but that's the key to it. There we go. Look at that beautiful waffle. It's nothing major to panic over, you guys. So yes, I felt like cooking waffles this morning. There you have it, you guys. There go a delicious stack of waffles. You guys check it out. Yes, your girl was in the mood. And now, don't get me wrong. This is only for the video, you guys. Because I know my Carter. And I'm going to have chicken and waffles with mine. But anywho, yeah, you get the idea. Let's put us some Mrs. Butterworth on here. Oh, look at that deliciousness. And we're going to put us some peaches. Fresh peaches on here. So yeah. There you have it, you guys. Some delicious waffles made by Mrs. T. And yeah, you can enjoy this even when it's not breakfast. Okay? So share this video with everyone. And if you're not part of the fam, come join the girl. And yes, leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. So sending much love. Enjoy the rest of your week. From my kitchen to yours. Goodbye.